here is how you can get a full keyboard on the iPhone. Let me explain all of the possible scenarios. So if you're new here and the first time on this channel, definitely become part of the community so you don't miss the next videos like this one. So whenever you are on your keyboard and it kind of moves to one side only, right, you can see that it might be like slightly, put it toward the right side or the left one. You can move it back to the center with the little arrow icon, and it is actually a feature to make it easier for you to type with one hand while holding your phone in the hand and using just the thumb, so you don't have to stretch too far. And you can obviously enable it when you hold down on the globe icon. So if you want to switch to the full keyboard, you can see that that is the option in the middle, and we have the side ones on the left and the right as well. But if you mean something completely different, like if you mean like a full characters of the keyboard or something, you might need to hold down on the globe again and switch to the keyboard settings, where you can manage all of the different things, as I said, the languages, for example. So the languages can be added, and you can add as many as you want. And as I said, this is going to give you a different layout of the keys, and perhaps even more characters are going to appear next to your current one. So that might be something you want to do, or in order to get like a completely different and full experience with a different one, you can explore third-party apps on the App Store, like the Gboard from Google, which you can use to like install and literally replace your Apple keyboard if you prefer that option over the built-in one. But that is obviously up to you to decide. So let me know in the comments below if you have found what you needed. I really hope that I could explain it and assist you with this issue. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to catch you later in the future videos too.